gotten a few questions about my branding irons. I got mine from Budget Branding Iron on Instagram. They're nice thick brass and the detail is unbelievable, even the smallest details. I heat mine up on this hot plate. I usually just set them there, leave them for about 15-20 minutes, get them nice and hot so there's a nice even heat. And then we're going to take it and mark our piece. Just press it down for a few seconds. And what a great job they do. All the small details are there. The Made in Canada, that's super tiny. The tree, the maple leaf, awesome job. Highly, highly recommend them. Go check them out. Ask for Rudy and tell him Rob sent you.